week we've been thinking about the word more. Can you sign more? And me and Rachel were thinking we would like to have a competition. We're both going to make a tinfoil boat and see whose boat will hold more coins. Would you like to try too and see if you can beat us? I wonder if your boat will hold more than mine. Show me if it does.
Hello, I'm going to make a boat out of foil. I've got a bit of old foil here from my Sunday dinner and I'm going to shape it into a rectangle, and then I'm going to make the sides go up so I've got a little boat shape. There we go. And make 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boats can be different shapes. I've even seen one which is a triangle shape. But you can have fun making your own boat. And hopefully the water won't be able to get in. And a little bit later you'll be able to see what I'm going to put inside it. Okay, it looks a bit like a boat, doesn't it? Okay, are you ready for later? We'll go down into the pond and see if it will float. And we'll see if we can put some pennies in. Hi, here we go. Here's my boat. I've got a little pond and we're going to see if it floats first. Yay! And I've got a little pot of lots and lots of pennies. Right, let's see how many pennies I can put inside my boat before it sinks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 9, 30, 40. It's still floating. Ready, let's move it out of the way. Look, it's still floating. 50, 51, 52. Oh, do you know what? I think I'd give up. I think it's still floating. So we'll say it holds lots and lots of pennies. And it's still floating. That's great. Now, shall we have some more fun? Shall I take the pennies out? And we're going to float the boat down the waterfall. Okay, ready? Right, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Whoosh! Uh-oh, here it goes. Go whoosh! Oh!
Here's my boat. Shall we see if it floats? Oh, it's floating. Can you see? Here's the sign for float. Float. Right, let's see how many coins my boat will hold. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, look! There's some water in it. Oh dear. 4, 5, 6. It's starting to go down. 7, 8. Oh no! My boat has sunk. Oh dear. My boat only held 8 coins before it sunk. I think Rachel's boat held more. Show me how many yours met.